Did you leave the school year feeling tired, defeated, like you were pulled in too many different directions? It's impossible to do it all alone. So, this year, let's work together to make things easier and more effective. Research shows that students learn better when teachers share responsibility for their learning. As a matter of fact, when teachers collaborate, they feel less isolated and more committed. Student achievement increases, and everyone's confidence grows. The Durkee Learning Innovation Focus Team wants to help make this a reality. With a representative from each department, we will support, communicate, and encourage teams along the way. Together, we will ignite a collaborative culture that strives for effective practices, supporting the learning and growth of all. And the good news is, we now have structures in place to make this happen.
Created using Powtoon.